Hey everybody, I hope you're having a phenomenal day. My name is Alicia Masters, and if you're thinking to buy or sell property in and around the Puerto Vallarta market, I am your girl. I am excited, as usual. I'm always excited because I only shoot fabulous places, but I'm excited to tell you guys where I am today. So today I am in the romantic zone. As you can see behind me, you have blue sky, blue ocean, so you can see clearly you have ocean views here. The name of this property is Villa Blanca, and if you are an investor, this is the property that you're going to want to know about. So let's get into the details of this property. You have 3 bedrooms here with 3.5 baths, a little over 2,500 square feet. The asking price is $699,000 US. Let me get into a little bit more details that I don't typically get into when I'm showing you guys properties right off the bat. The HOA fee is around 33,000 pesos a month, which is high if all you were getting is the typical, like the building maintenance, the common area, all this and this and this. Let me tell you what you're getting for that 33,000. So you get maid service here. That is 6 times a week maid service. All of the building and the Wi-Fi, all of the Wi-Fi, oh my gosh, all of the building has Wi-Fi. So all of the Wi-Fi is covered. Your electricity is covered. Your gas is covered. Your water is covered. Essentially every bill. The building insurance is covered. So all of the typical bills that would be your bills separate from your typical HOA are all included in that cost. Now, let me tell you why I think this is a good investment property. The current owners who are using it have not put one dime into this place. So exactly what you're going to see is exactly what is coming with it, is exactly the way they have this. So there's a lot of potential to make even more of an ROI. Right now, they're making between $60,000 and $65,000 US, exactly the way that you see it now. So if you come in, I work with amazing contractors. I work with some really good interior designers. We can definitely put a little fresh twist on this place. You can get even more and more money. Let me tell you what else this property comes with. So you have to come up like a half a level until you get here, and then you go up another level. So there is a rooftop here. It's not private, but nobody ever goes there. It's literally right above this unit that we're in right now. You do have 2 car space that's deeded parking space down below, which is gold. Nobody has parking here in the romantic zone. It's why you have to walk everywhere that you want to go. So you have 2 cars, deeded parking space. Upstairs you have a deeded laundry. You have essentially a private space upstairs. It is common area for everybody to use. Downstairs is a pool that's common for everybody to use. You don't ever see anybody in any of these spaces. And don't forget what I said, as this place is right now, they're netting between $60,000 and $65,000 US a year. Okay, so that's all I wanted to say about the house for now. Let's get into some more details about me. I do about 2 to 3 videos a week that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta, properties that are for sale. So if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of what is going on here in Vallarta, make sure you do click like and subscribe to my channel. Hang out to the end of this video. I'm going to throw some still shots up. If you want to know more information about this property, look down below in the description. You're going to find more information there about how you can get in contact with me. We can do an in-person showing or a virtual showing. I'll throw my number down here as well. Please contact me on WhatsApp if you want the fastest reply. I get so many emails every single day, and if you are wanting to get in touch with me promptly and you want a faster response, hit me up on WhatsApp. Look in the description down below if you want to see more information about this property and how you can contact me. We can set up a virtual showing or an in-person showing. And then, like I said, hang out to the end of this video if you would like to see some still shots. Without further ado, let's go get into this property, guys. Let's go. Welcome to the outside of Villa Blanca. We are going all the way up to the penthouse there today. But as usual, I always like to give you guys a good 360-degree view of what you are looking at from the outside. If you have ever taken the back road to get up to Mantamar and Almar, this is that road. This is where we are. Okay, so in order for you to get in here, you do have to come up 1 flight of stairs. So you'll come up well, okay, I said 1 flight, let's make that 2. But really, like a single flight of stairs usually has 2 turns. So you're gonna come up the stairs. We'll come to a gated entry. There is a code here. You'll enter in your code and you'll come straight into Villa Blanca. Now, all that you're seeing here is a common area. This is a boutique building. I think there's about 8 units or so in here, so you don't have a lot of people here. You can see you have like, I don't know if you can see, you can definitely see the water coming down. You have like a little waterfall action happening here. Not a big pool, but we're checking that box. If you are using this as a rental property and they are only wanting to see places that have a pool, this is your pool. So now that you've seen the entry, You have only to go up another couple of flights of stairs here, and then we're ending up at Villa Blanca. Let's go. You have a couple of stairs to get into the unit, but once you're here, it is private. Welcome to El Penthouse. I like how you have the big door as you're coming in. You have the two double French doors. You do have a little peekaboo ocean view here as you even walk in. One of the things that I always like is when they do the digital locks. Lord have mercy, I cannot talk today. Keys are so old school, and we always appreciate when we can get in super convenient. Okay, so before we get into the details of everything, this is what you're seeing as you're walking in. I want to let you know, welcome to Treehouse Vibes. Everything is open air when you come in here, except for the bedrooms, which has air conditioner. So as soon as you come in, I really appreciate how they have this little closet here. You're using it for storage. As you can see, this is the perfect place to put all of your beach stuff, your sandy beach stuff, before you enter into the rest of the house. One thing you're gonna notice here, this is called adobe construction. This is like the old school, it's all concrete. This place isn't going anywhere, honey, kind of construction. And I really love when they do the old school style of construction like this. So we're gonna make our way into the front. So 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. This is the half bath as you're entering in. And like I said, they have not done any upgrades, the current owners, to this, and they're netting 60 to 65K. I definitely think there are a lot of different things you can do here for to make this place even better. But as it is right now, it's completely fine. You can see they're making lots of money. So this is all open. This is your living room, kitchen, and dining room area. Welcome to the views. Before we get into that, I'm gonna keep walking around so you guys can see all of the different spaces. So all of this will remain open. It is a hot July day here. It's not too bad, but yeah, if you are thinking you're gonna wake up and you're gonna be in AC, not when you come out here. But that's why this is gonna make such an amazing rental, because this is an experience. This is a place that you wanna come, and when you are staying in Mexico and you want something that's totally different from, let's say, staying down the romantic zone into one of those cookie cutter type of buildings where you could really be anywhere, this place has character, it has charm, because it's all open air. This is kind of like old school Mexico. You'll see some of these places that are kind of like this over in Conchas Chinas, where it's all open and then they have just the air conditioner in the bedroom. That's kind of like the vibes that this place gives me. I like to move around to give you guys views of everything that is next to you. So this is a little stairwell that comes from the top, and people have access to get over to the beach. And then what happens is you just come straight down, and right here you've got another little staircase to go down to the beach as well. So you have beach access just right across the street from where you are. Nice ample sized living room. As you can see, they have a couple of loungers set up out here. Just a cool place to come hang out before you either A, get to your beach day, or B, come home from your beach day. You have everything that you will need here in the kitchen. As you can see, there's even a dishwasher. You have a 4-burner stove. There's granite here on the countertops. So this is your kitchen. Moving into your dining room, they've got a table that will seat 6 right now currently. And then the lounge area and your living room. I believe this is an owner's closet. It's closed. I do like how they have the rounded doorway here. I like that. I like how all of these angles are rounded edges as you're going through. I think this is locked too. Oh no, okay, this is one of the bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1. All bedrooms have an ensuite bath as well. We'll get into all of that. Glass stall shower here with the mosaic tiles. It's a little bit dark in some of the bedrooms and the bathrooms. That's one of the things that I think you can do upgrades here. And the cost of labor is so inexpensive here in Mexico. I work with some really great contractors that can do a lot of really cool things. The bedrooms are kind of all the same. So this is bedroom number 1, and you'll see what I mean in the design. Nice, big, spacious bedroom. Bedroom has a balcony, and you're just kind of like getting jungle vibes as you're here on the balcony. I like when you get into these older properties because they have all of the mature landscaping. Let's is just another view of the bedroom. The bedroom is outfitted with a safe. Like I said, this is an investment property and you really do have everything that you need to go ahead and run this as an investment property, keys in hand, nothing to do. Probably even stick with the same property manager if you wanted to. Like we could make this as easy for you as you needed it to be. Okay, so now we're gonna make our way into the back of the house. This will be bedroom number 2. I like also how all the bedrooms have little locks here. So you could rent this out as one place entirely, or you can even rent this out as just bedrooms, because like I see, all of these rooms here have their own locks, and then you have that common space. So you really do have, excuse me, you really do have some flexibility here with the style of rental that you might want to do. Sorry guys, I have this cough that is just like lingering and I cannot get rid of it. So I might have to cough a few times in the video. Sorry about that if that happens. Okay, let's get back to the video. As you can see, you have another covered patio here. All the patios feel very private. So if you are in this room, you don't feel, even though everything is open air, you do feel like you have a lot of privacy. Another king size bed here with the built-ins next to the table, next to the beds for the nightstands. Give you guys just another view. Now we're gonna go into the third and final bedroom, and then we'll make our way up to the rooftop. And I also wanna show you guys the parking and all the situation for how to get here, because you have to come upstairs and stuff to get here as well. Okay, so this is the bathroom. This is the nicest bathroom, so maybe this is the primary. I like how they have the little mosaic tile here, the detail above the sink, and then they continue that in the shower, glass stall shower. In this bedroom, actually you could sleep even more people, because on top of having the king size bed, they have kind of like a sofa, I don't know, like another bed situation happening over there. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8 people that could sleep here if you wanted to put 8 people in air conditioning. You do have the option of putting somebody on the sofa too, I guess, but there's no AC out there. I cannot sleep if I don't have a breeze kicking on me. Okay, so we know under air we are sleeping 8. Nice big bed here, nice big space. I'm gonna walk through one more time and just show you guys the beautiful views that you're gonna see in the living room, kitchen, dining room area, just to give you a feel again for the space. And then we will make our way upstairs so that you have a beautiful view of the rooftop up there. And the rooftop, they said, is essentially private. Nobody ever goes up there. Oh, and I wanted to mention this cool detail here too. So you see how they have all these metal rails? This rail, again, one of the reasons why I like older Mexican style properties is, as you can see, it's a palm tree. So this is what I mean by just the character, the cool little quirks that these older Mexican style properties have. And you have a beautiful view of Los Muertos beach here, looking all the way down to Punta de Mita and the North Shore. Alrighty, now that you guys have seen, kind of like treehouse vibes, Villa Blanca, let's make our way upstairs. So you're gonna come up one set of stairs, and as you come up this top set of stairs, all of this rooftop is for the boutique development here. And then I'm gonna show you the laundry room that is private just for your villa. So you have this huge space, you can host barbecues, parties. There's so many performers here. It doesn't cost hardly anything if you wanted to have a party and have some live entertainment. Oh my gosh, New Year's here. Guys, the views are even better from up here. Just want to show you everything that you can see. This would be a dream place to host an incredible New Year's Eve party. Costume party if you get into Halloween, or just come up here and lounge after the beach day with a bottle of wine and get into a nice book. So now that you've seen the rooftop, I'm gonna come over. You do have, as you can see, this guy's working. Low season here is typically when everybody starts doing little maintenance projects. So you have a grill over there. He's now working on the bar. Well, if his ladder wasn't there, but you can see this is a hand painted tile. Love that. And then this space here is the deeded laundry room that is just for this unit. So Villa Blanca owns about 30% of the building in total, which means you kind of almost have like control of the HOA. So not only do you have this space here, you have 2 deeded parking spaces as well, and then you have the penthouse unit. Alrighty, now that you guys have had a chance to see this property, let's get into the details one more time. You have 3 bedrooms here with 3.5 baths, a little over 2,500 square feet. The asking price is $699,000 US. Look in the description down below if you want to see more information about this property and how you can get in contact with me. Remember, WhatsApp is the best way to reach me for the fastest reply. Like I said earlier, I do 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. So if you want to get a little notification every time I am posting a video and you want to keep your finger on the pulse of what is going on here in Vallarta, make sure you do click like and subscribe to my channel. Hang out to the very end if you'd like to see some still shots of this condo. That is my time. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye guys, peace.